So, by the command of the Cat King, Tom gathered his troops and set off to catch a mouse.
We're marching off to fight, we'll catch that mouse and do what's right. We're marching off to fight and go and get that mouse. Hey ho, away we go, 1, 2, 3 in a row. We're marching round and round to go and crush that mouse. We're heading off to fight, we'll march and march all through the night. We're heading off to fight to go and beat that mouse. Hey ho, off we go, hit 'em high and hit 'em low. We're heading off to fight to go and miss that mouse. We're marching off to fight, we'll fight our foe with all our might. We're marching off to fight to go and break that mouse. Hey ho, away we go, loaded down with guns in tow. We're marching off to fight to go and squash that mouse.
Maybe we should send the chicken.
Mademoiselle Ballerina lady, I am coming to rescue you.
Tuffy?
Yes, it is I, and I will set you free.
Oh, Tuffy, the cats are heading out to destroy Jerry. Time is of the essence. You must warn him.
Then take these keys and free yourself.
Hurry, Tuffy, hurry!
I shall not fail you.
Hold it! What's this?
Can you believe it? I've never had a lesson. Must you? Yeah, I must practice for the big winter carnival tonight. Then we must practice covering our ears, but... snowball fight. It's me. Whoa! Wow, that was a close one. Yeah, and it's about to get closer. Autschen! Warte! Eine kleine Help. He's a frozen solid Popschnickel. Yeah, stiff as a board. Who turned off the lights? What's that? I think it's a Yeti. Did you say spaghetti? Don't make him hungry.
Thomas! What in heaven's name are you doing? You're supposed to be preparing dinner. Clean up this mess immediately. The Duke's American friend has sent him this fresh turkey. Seems quite fresh indeed. Make sure the turkey is fully dressed and ready for dinner at 6 o'clock sharp.
Tom and Jerry escorted their client to the most recent checkpoint in the race.
Elevator boots.
The boys decided to inspect the sled and make sure no monkey business was underfoot. Do not open until July 4th? Well, you'll have to wait for July on that one. Puppies? Where are the full-size dogs?
The driver said puppies were lighter and could travel faster.
This is no time for puppy love, huh? Gotta get these pups in harness and back on the trail. And so the detectives found themselves sledding north.
hurry?
I just want to make sure Tom didn't get into the donuts while we were gone. Well, there's the box.
We saw a Yeti! Ja, he's big and shaggy with glowing red eyes and sharp yellow teeth, ja? Und he makes noises worse than Ronke on his flugelhorn, ja? Ja, and he smells worse than that Katzen. Und he's on his way into town.
You can make snow angels on your own time, Thomas. Get inside and start building that fire.
It's the long-lost lead dog. But how did he get tied to a tree? He seems to be speaking bow wow. But our boys never took that language course.
My word, will you please please get me untied so that we can win this race? Shh, y'all. Is that really necessary? Well, looky there. There's a box of fireworks like the one I just lit.
Those fireworks should be going off any minute now. Then victory is mine.
Another job well done by the cat and mouse detectives.
You know what? I'm ecstatically pleased by this.
Mama. Mama.
I'll take that $5, please.
Now, Tom, I've got some other packages on order for the house that may arrive today. Don't you dare touch any of them.
Or else.
Now he must sadly wait another long year until the next performance. Nothing for Jerry in this empty place, except his love of the ballet. If only he could dance. What's the use of pretending? These things never change. Why, that would take a miracle. But wait, a mouse needs more. And a mouse king needs his royal court.
You can't hurt a quality toy.
And a ballet needs a ballerina. Come to think of it, a Mouse King needs a kingdom too, even if it's built on fragile magic. But of course, magic affects both friend and foe alike.
Boys, round up them worthless toys. I'm taking over this kingdom.
What should we do?
See, Sandy, see, pussycat! This is Monsieur Jerry's wish. All he wanted was to dance, and his kingdom sprang from those desires. We must respect his dream, no?
Thomas! What is going on down there? Thomas, what are you doing in the freezer? Oh, just look at this horrible mess you've made. This better be all cleaned up by the time I get back. Got it?
In the spirit of Christmas, Jerry stopped all his teasing and made Tom an offer for this magical season.
Oh, Merry Christmas!
Oh, Hildy, really?
I'm wondering if you might be able to help me.
Santa's not going to eat a cookie that talks to him.
Well, that's true.
But I will. He looks delicious.
I don't remember making a talking Santa cookie.
Enough, Thomas. I'm hungry.
Okay, time to take our holiday card photo. Now that you're feeling better, you can wear the costume. Say cheese! Now let's do our Valentine's Day card.
So listen up, little girls and boys. If you think that Christmas is all about toys, look at Tom, who learned something he'll never forget. It's not about getting what you want, but giving what you get. And that's the story of Tom's Christmas plight.
May your New Year be happy, and to all, a good night. No?
Do not harm Monsieur Jerry. Be kind and gentle. This is your conscience speaking. The little voice that tells you right from wrong. The quality of mercy is not strained. It droppeth as a gentle rain from heaven. Look, there he is. Why do you listen to that little fool? I say do the mouse in. No, I appeal to your better nature. Do not listen to this ruffian. Well, at least I'm not wearing a dress. Time to rub out the rodent. Please, I beseech you to... well, think it over. Sleep on it, won't you? Sometimes the conscience must take drastic measures.
Feeling better, Jerry? I'm coming undone. I knew it. The water must have melted my glue.
Oh, we have to put a stop to that. I had an aunt who started to unravel.
Not a pretty picture, huh? What? Oh, of course. The toy maker.
He'll be able to fix you right up.
Sure. No worries.
Bonjour. Bonjour, Monsieur Jerry. It is I.
What are you doing here, Tuffy?
The ballerina lady sent me to warn you.
Warn us about what?
The cats.
The cats?
They are coming to do away with you. They are probably surrounding us even as we speak.
That doesn't sound much like a mouse to me. It's more of a... No, it sounds like... Oh, I can't put my finger on it. Ow! You know, that sounds like a cat. You sure? Well, not 100%. Ah! Oh, yeah, definitely a cat. That brings your batting average to 340.
Tom had his tree when he heard from the roof sleigh bells, a laugh, and bold reindeer hoofs. The thump and the clump and the fanciful jingle filled Tom with an unusual tingle. And the sight of St. Nicholas filled him with awe. Oh, how Tom wanted Jerry to see what he saw. He jumped and he danced and he twirled and he pointed. If you saw him, you'd think Tom was quadruple jointed. But Jerry was still too confused to respond, till Tom pointed with the magical wand.
Hello? Anyone there? Lights, please! Merry Christmas! Oh! Did anyone else notice that I'm a cookie? Mrs. Claus always said I ate so many cookies that one day I was going to turn into one. Now, be a good little elf and turn me back, please. Maybe it's the angle. Have you tried, Can you imagine why this might be a problem for a lot of people?
No visions of sugar plums danced in Tom's head. He heard disappointed voices instead. As their Christmas exploded like a peppermint bomb. And they both knew who did it.
It was Tom, 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 Tom!
'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house, Mrs. Two Shoes made last-minute preparations for her cat and her mouse. As Tom curled up snug in his bed, fast asleep, the tin soldier stood guard, and from Jerry, not a peep. As stockings were filled and stuffed to the brim, the catnap took Tom to the dream world within. As the next morning came, Mrs. Two Shoes, excited, ran down the stairs, but she wasn't delighted. For what she saw, along with Tom and Jerry at rest, was a big steaming pile of nasty, crisp mess. At first she was angry. She was fit to be tied. She made the two critters brave the weather outside. But all is forgiven this one day in December, when foes become friends. On a holiday to remember.
Anytime we have a date, but I love her. I'm gonna ask her, is you is or is you ain't my baby? The way you acting lately makes me doubt. You is still my baby, baby. Seems my fling in your heart's done gone out. A woman is a creature that's always been strange. Just when you're sure of one, you find she's gone and made a change. Is you is or is you ain't my baby? Maybe baby's found somebody new. But they know my baby is still my baby true.
jive. Do you hear me? Latch on, Jackson. We're off.